Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to reset password in Bluesky app. So if you also want to reset password in Bluesky app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bluesky application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have an account, simply tap on the option create account. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. But in order to reset the password, all you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. You'll have to select an account to continue. Simply tap on your account. If your account is not listed over here, simply tap on the option other account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll have to enter your username or email address. After that, you'll have to enter your password. After that, you'll be able to sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, simply tap on the option forgot that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter your email address. Simply enter your email address. Now tap on the next option that you can see right over here. You will receive an email with a reset code. Simply open your email, open the Gmail application. You can see over here, you'll receive an email, simply tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the code. Simply memorize this code, go back to Bluesky application. Now enter that code over here. Now you'll have to set a new password. Simply enter new password. Now tap on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your password has been updated. Simply tap on the OK option. Now you'll be able to sign in with new password. You can see over here you'll be able to sign in with a new password. So that is how you reset password in Bluesky app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.